Hi, from our recent video, we've talked about Google Search Console, we've talked about sitemap, we've talked about robot.txt, and on this particular video, we are going to talk about Google Analytics. Now, I'm going to guide you a step-by-step process to go about Google Analytics. However, I'm going to actually show you a very easy way towards this. All right, as you can remember from the other videos, I showed how to do Search Console manually, sitemap, robot.txt manually, and all those ones were actually manually. So I'm not going to take that same manual method for analytics. I'm going to take a more easy way, a more fast approach, right? Is a better approach. So I'm going to come to what this is WordPress dashboard. I believe by now you are very familiar with this. So I'm going to use a plugin called Google Sitekit. That is a plugin we need to install. All right. Now, so what you just have to do is to come over to where you have your add new plugin options right here and click on add new, then type the name Google Sitekit. Now, having in mind that this plugin is good, like very good enough to actually help you with not only your analytics, but your Google Search Console, AdSense, and page speed insight. All right. So this is actually like a single Google plugin that actually helps with everything that really matter concerning integrating Google product on your website. All right, so as you can see, we've successfully installed and activated the Google Site Kit. So what we need to do is to click on Start Setup. All right, and if you follow this process that I'm showing you, instead of going through the manual route, then you will discover that this is actually the easiest way to get this done. All right, the easiest way to get this done. So we're gonna have to click on this. As you can see, I've picked on connect Google Analytics as part of your setup. So I've done that, and then I need their messages. I need them to keep me updated. That's why I'm ticking this box right here. All right, now I'm gonna click on sign in with Google. All right, let's see how easy this is. Let's see how easy this is. All right, now I have the options to actually sign in. So I'm just going to pick this email right here. All right, as you can see, SiteKit wants to access the Google account. I'm going to give it all the access it demands. All right, the plugin is actually not a threat. It's very safe. It's a safe plugin by Google. All right, so as you can see, it says you're already verified. Google detected that you are a verified owner of. All right, as you can see, is that easy? Is that actually very easy? It's very easy. Turn on metrics in your dashboard. So all I need to do is to click on allow. All right. Credit card mail is already added to Search Console. All right. I've already integrated the site with Search Console. Now I've done so with Google Analytics. All right. Set up Google Analytics to understand how to find out, to understand how visitors find and use your site, how site get out. Okay. So I'm going to say next. You'll need to grant SiteKit permission to do this. I've given it the permission by clicking on proceed. All right, it demands another sign-in permission to be able to actually integrate the old process for me. So as you can see, this is far more easier. This process is far more easier. Everything is kind of running on automation for you. All you need to do is to actually sign in, give it the permission to access your mail, to access your Gmail account, your Google account, and it is that easy. All right. Now, as you can see, the next thing we have here says, please select the account information below. You can change this later. So as you can see, okay. Now, bear this in mind that this is actually this way because I I think I already have a Google Analytics account for this website. That's why it's actually showing this. Now, for you that do not have a Google Analytics account, once you get to this point, it's going to be quiz you to actually create a property. It's going to be quiz you to actually create a property and give it a name. It's that easy. All right. And then everything is going to be so normal. It's going to look like this. So all you need to really do is I'm going to click on configure analytics. All right. You will need to grant. All right. That's it. So I'm giving it the permission again. It's going to come back to my mail to verify this. So all I need to do is to click on this place again, pick an account I intend to sign in with. All right. Now, as long as this account, there's something you should note. This Chrome profile is actually size you get it's actually signs with this Gmail. So you need to sign the Chrome, you need to sign the Gmail to a specific Chrome profile to be able to make it this smooth. All right. Now, if I did not sign this Gmail to this Chrome account, it's going to demand for password. But since I'm already signing to this Chrome account with this Gmail address. All right. Then it does not actually require a password. So all I just have to do is to pick the account I intend to use. All right, as you can see, congrats on completing the setup for analytics. You will only see universal analytics data for now. All right, so as you can see, it's that easy. Now, apart from the fact that SiteKit allowed you to actually integrate Google Analytics, SiteKit is also good enough that it allows you to integrate Google Search Console. It allows you to integrate to check your speed. It allows you to monetize your site. You can actually use SiteKit to request for monetization, to request for Google AdSense monetization, right? So, I mean, SiteKit is like the complete package that you need if you don't intend to stress yourself. It's easy to use, is best to use.